Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for giving me an opportunity for a presentation. I am Mamun Rashid, ID 192000022, Department of Tripoli, Ranadapur University. My topic is power plant engineering. Present power position in Bangladesh. My topics is majority of present power position in Bangladesh. The electricity sector in Bangladesh has one national grid with an installed capacity of 2000 uh, 21,419 megawatt as of September 2019. The total installed capacity is 2000 megawatt combined solar power. Bangladesh energy sector is booming. Recently, Bangladesh started construction of the 2.4 gigawatt Rupur nuclear power plant, expected to go into operation in 2013. According to the Bangladesh Power Development Board, in July 2018 to 90% of the population has access to electricity. However, per capacity energy consumption in Bangladesh is considered low. Electricity is the major security of power for most of the country economic activities. Bangladesh total installed electricity generation capacity was 15,351 megawatts as of January 2017 and 2000 megawatt in 2018. The largest energy consumer in Bangladesh are industries and the residential sector follow by the commercial and agriculture sectors. As of 2015, 92% of the urban population and 67% of the rural population had access to electricity. An average of 77.9% of the population had access to electricity in Bangladesh. Bangladesh will be need an estimated 34,000 megawatt of power by 2013 to sustain its economic growth of over 7%. Problem in Bangladesh electrical power sector include high system loss, delay in completion of new plants, low plants efficiency, erected power supply, electricity theft, blackouts, and storage of funds. For power plants maintenance, overall the country's generation plant have been unable to meet system demand over the past decade. On 2 November 2014, electricity has restored after a day-long nationwide blackout. A transmission line from India has failed, which lead to a cascade of failure through the national power grid and circuitism of all grid infrastructure and poor management. However, in a recent root cause analysis report, the investing team has clarified that the fault was actually due to lack of coordination of power health of transmission and distribution infrastructure that case be the blackout. CNG is substitutioning more than US $0.8 billion worth of foreign exchange annually and is also used to ease most vessels on the road. In addition to 0.1 million tons, the nation furthermore demand 3.5 million tons of oil import and in additional to almost 2 million tons of diesel to feed oil-based power plant being planned and built all around the country. The additional problem and coal importers are causing disruption in the GDP by as much as 2% annually. The new purchases are affecting improvement in activities in or other sector, causing reduced export earning and cultural employment opportunity. Thus, massive failure in the energy sector is most attributed to prolonged negligence in appropriate implementation, inefficiency, and lack of planning. To make matters worse, the natural gas reserves are expected to expire by 2020. The only coal mine of the country is in the development stage, the reserve of which is also expected to dry up anywhere from 75 to 80 years after they start their operation. Efforts to develop an open pit coal mine in Phulbari, Dinajpur district have met the large violent protest in 2016. And that October 2000 protests make a week-long march for Phulbari and to Dhaka against mind a collection of their grouping protest of the Global Coal Research Meeting in London. Nuclear power plant, that's a good of our futures. Our Bangladesh have been making and made a infrastructure of nuclear power plant that very tough technology, but that we uh, could and we should that need to us because our population is too high. That's why Bangladesh plan to set up the 2,400 megawatt power plants in Rupur nuclear power plant at Rupur Pabna district to 200 kilometer northwest of the capital Dhaka by 2080, plan to go into operational by 2023. It will be the country's first nuclear power plant. The plant will be built with an allocation of BDT 2050 crore. It's too high. The highest allocation for a single project and over half of the 2080 to 2090 budget. That's all our Bangladesh power plant system and more, but it's too light. That's we understand, and some. Thank you.